wow. Alright then. So this is much better than I thought it would be. I mean, look at this. It's perfect. Apparently, Qwen Image is much better than I thought. This is currently the best model when it comes to text generation. I'm gonna show how to install it and use it on your computer and with low VRAM. If you don't have a powerful GPU, you can use this HuggingFace demo. Pretty good. Let's see some examples. Print screen of Google search page searching for penguins. Not quite what I was expecting. Print screen of a YouTube channel page about penguins. Not exactly what I was looking for, but this is an YouTube page nonetheless. PowerPoint design abstract background with a title that says Qwen Image and a subtitle that says The Future of AI Image Generation. Below, two images. The first is a photo of a penguin. The second is an anime girl. At the bottom, a text that says penguins and waifus. Oh wow. Alright then. So this is much better than I thought it would be. I mean, look at this. It's perfect. All of the text is perfect. Look at this. So amateur photo of a 22 years old girl holding a sign that says, I am not real. The image should have a 2015 smartphone picture look with some motion blur and high ISO to look realistic. Oh, well, okay. This does not look like a smartphone picture from 2015. And this girl is way too young. She's definitely not 22. A 2015 amateur selfie of a 22 years old girl holding a sign that says, I am not real. It's a little bit better, but still, this is not a selfie. She's taking a selfie, but this is not a selfie photo. Now, I found the problem. You should use woman instead of girl. For some reason, girl was throwing off the model. Close-up portrait of a 25 years old woman illuminated by the window light. This is much better. Very realistic. Look at the skin texture. Now, let's see if it can do some artistic styles. Chinese painting of a beautiful Chinese priestess doing Tai Chi with the long traditional red Kung Fu robe billowed in the wind. So this is very good. So yes, it can do styled images. Let's see if it can do anime. Anime style evil villain, man with long hair, beautiful anime man face, dark and long traditional Japanese robe, looking down at the low angle camera. Dark purple vapors surrounds the character. Small floating lights illuminate the vapors, creating a beautiful but dark atmosphere. This is very good. This is exactly what I was looking for. It can do anime. But how can you use it on your computer? Well, the best way is to use ComfyUI. I'm gonna leave this page in the description. So here you will find a lot of workflows and the link for the models to download. It is not a small file. The full version has 40 gigabytes and the FP8 has 20. Now, if you have a GPU of 24 gigabytes of VRAM, you can run the FP8, no problem. However, the best way for lower VRAM is to use this, the quantized versions from CD96. I'm using this one, the Q4KS, and I have a 3060 with 12 gigabytes of VRAM, and it works pretty good. It takes around 4 minutes to generate. Now here, you will have to download the actual Qwen Image models as well as the text encoder and the VAE. After you download those files, the model itself should go into your ComfyUI folder right here, models, and then UNet, and put it here. The text encoders, well, goes to text encoders. So put it here and the VAE into the VAE folder. You're gonna find an example workflow. You can download this JSON file, drag and drop into here, into your ComfyUI. you will be presented with this workflow. I only changed this preview image into this save image, so I can save the image. And here I changed the clip loader from this to this. This node was already here, but I had to connect it into these two places. You're gonna need to install GGUF. If you don't have it, go to the manager, update your ComfyUI, and then custom nodes, and search for GGUF. ComfyUI GGUF. Now, I had a problem, and I had to uninstall it and then install it again. If you get an error here, just uninstall it and install it again. And you should be good to go. You choose your model, put your prompt, Qwen Image. Much better than I thought for realism and especially for text. So let me know what you think, and don't forget to subscribe.